It's day 4 of working on this. I haven't worked on it for a few days because I was editing the footage. Again, this is taking me forever. Okay, so I went and worked out earlier. Ow! Hit my elbow. Actually, I had to like ice it a little bit earlier. I don't know if I'm gonna have to ice it again. I also had to ice my thumb and my wrist. My workout was intense, just like last time. And yeah, both times I had to like ice certain parts of my body. Again, it was my wrist last time, and then was actually the part in between. Yeah, like so like the lower hamstring part. I had to ice that last time. The workout was so good, and I'm trying new stuff, and I'm just trying to get stronger. And the thing that I'm most happy for, woohoo! She did it! I got 12 pull-ups! Yes! Ah, you know what I mean? About that because I've never gotten 12 pull-ups in a row. I've never had that happen to me in my life until now, and that's saying from Vaz, from Far Cry 3, really true. The definition of insanity is doing something over and over again, expecting shit to change. So that's what I was doing for years, and now I've been finally adding in the gripping and moving on the bars and just trying some new stuff and just not being, you know, a fearful person anymore. I'm just trying to like, oh, I want to try to do that. I'm going to try to see if I can do that. Yeah, finally getting stronger. I'm getting some real strength. And like I said, I'm just trying to get better in general. Also trying to get in the best shape of my life. So yeah, I am so happy. But yeah, 12 pull-ups for the first time finally achieved. Yes! Are you kidding me? Woohoo! So if I could figure this out now, that would be great. Just noticing some issues. I'm like, man, I finally had figured out how to get the waistband on. So I don't know if I'm going to like try to seam rip, that will take forever, this out and just try to figure it out. I don't know if I'm going to do that. There's like this weird, okay, so you see this? There's like this pleating, and then you see how it's not like that on this side? Like, it's literally, yeah, that's how it looks. So that's what has me worried on the waistband. What I did the other day on day 3, so obviously today is day 4 of working on this. And yeah, the cuffing on the ankle for the leg part, oh, look at that. Look at that hem. I think it looks pretty good. So, if I could just get it like that on this side, so I still have it like this. So, alright. Well, I think I'll just work on that for now and then just contemplate the strugglesome situation of the waistband later. I'm crazy trying to do this with my goddamn wrist. Being all insanity right now. It was like, I know you're trying to do some new stuff in your workouts, girl, but don't think we're going to get strong just yet. And I'm like, yeah, you are going to get strong. So I tried these on again, and yeah, the waistband, and like I said, the issue that I'm dealing with where the fabric is bunched up, but then it won't be bunched up in the certain area. I think it's around here. Yeah, so you see how horrible that looks. I'm just going to take it apart because this is awful and I don't like it. Again, I've never made pants like this before. Like I said, I've made leggings and shorts, but this is a first. So welcome back. So it's day 5 now of working on this. So day 4, I did do what I said. Didn't care that my wrist was slightly flared up, even though I'd iced it earlier. And again, feels fine now. I literally seam ripped the waistband out, as you can see. Because like I said, I wasn't satisfied with it, and it was just doing weird things. So now I'm thinking, maybe I'll try to use like a shoelace or something as like a drawstring. I'm going to probably do something like that, and then cut it. So I'm probably going to bend it in half, and then cut it, because maybe that's one of the issues as well, because I literally was just doing the waistband, but I didn't have it like separate from the pants. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just saying that's usually what I would do when I would make shorts or leggings. And then I think, I forget which side, but I noticed like one of my seams either for the front or the back, like kind of looked weird. I'm gonna figure that out as well. Lately, I've just been swamped with footage to edit, so I kind of dug myself a hole on that. But hey, we finally have enough space to film and continue on this vlog. I was just like, because I literally posted the first part of the making of these blanket pants. So I gotta get back on making these and finishing them up. So, anyways, let's just do this. Also, peep that JoJo's Bizarre Adventures shirt. Woohoo! We got Jolene on here. Jolene Cujo from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. So we pinned it in place, and now,
like I said, I'm gonna cut it.
Waistband is officially cut. So I literally just seam ripped to here and cut this out because obviously I need to cinch it in. So the side seams are right here. Literally have to like cinch it in by cutting. So that's what I'm gonna do on the other side too. Let's hope that I did not mess it up by cutting it. Woo! I hope I did this correct. If not, oh well. Taking this much off the waistband. So right now I'm pinning this in place. You see? Alright, so I have it attached. You see this? So I'm going to try to put the pencil through. This better work this time. I didn't have it where I tied like a knot, so maybe that was the problem. Very possible. I think it's working. Yes, it worked. So again, what I did was I literally went like that. And I literally just tied one knot around like that. And then I just put it through, so. Whew, that saved me some time. Again, it keeps happening. That is so rude. So this right here is the top of the waistband, and I believe that this is the one that I'm going to have the, man, it's falling apart. I need to redo that seam, but I'm going to have this one be the front of it. I just pinned it in 3 places, 1, 2, and 3. So those are the spots, as you can see. Just pin this, now it's time to sew. So that is what we're going for. Alright, let's do this. my last vlog, I showed pictures of myself planting the potatoes. Here's a little update real quick. They were looking raggedy at first, but now they're growing. I love how my potato plants are looking since I planted them. But yeah, they are thriving right now. That makes me so happy. Woohoo! All right, guys, it's finally time for the reveal. I finally did it. I figured it out, and this is why we don't give up. Guys, I did it! Woohoo! Check it out. This is insane! Are you kidding me? She did it. Look at these. Yeah, you know what I mean? Oh, man. I added a booty scrunch in the back, and it is just wonderful. I'm telling you, I'm just like, these are so cool. I love them. So I made these low-waisted because that is my type of vibe. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I literally just cut open and made 2 holes so that I could be able to tie this and adjust it with a waistband. So the shoelace is working out where it's like the perfect drawstring. So obviously these are baggy, but then they're also fitted. So I just made sure that I cinched them enough where they would fit my waist. I wasn't feeling the way the seam looked in the back. So of course, to add some flair to it, I literally had to add booty scrunch and do that sort of seam. And it's so flattering. I love it because these are like cinched up here, but then they're still baggy. When I tell you I'm so happy with these, I'm so happy with these! Woohoo! The blanket pants of my dreams. Like, I literally made my dream do-it-yourself blanket pants. Next time I go thrifting, if I see a blanket that I'm liking, yeah, we're doing this again. That's personally how I feel, so. It's so flattering because I put the booty scrunch seam in there. I'm obsessed! Woohoo! Yeah, you know what I mean? So when you squat, this is how it looks. I'm like, oh, what am I gonna make next? I'm excited, I have ideas. You know, the creative energy is flowing, and that makes me so happy, and we're documenting it. So that is what's up. Documenting the development.